So welcome back guys, this is Madhav PVL. As before we had just worked on this first session and now we are just going to do this open read write close operations. But now only I just got a problem, like we need to just save these things, right? Again and again we shouldn't just install those packages again. So here there is an option like we can just save the session in the drive. So let us just try after installing this both packages, and then a sudo apt update. I had just told all this basics in our first video. You can just go and check there in the hello world program how to just initialize this thing. But we may just face a problem like a power cut and then unstable Wi-Fi connection. So for those all things, we are just giving they are just giving a provision like we can just save this whole session in this drive and then sudo apt install build essential. Build essential. So again we are just getting this processor problem, and then the number is 2670. So what is meant by number, we can just see here, right? The processor number. So this is 2670. We need to just close the terminal once and then we need to just open it again. And then my friend had just told a code like sudo kill -9, sudo kill -9, and then the processor number 2670. So again we need to just enter the password. I just kept the password like 123456, and again we need to just install this sudo apt install build essential. Yeah, so this is just building its own things, and now we need to just click on this Y for the purpose of accepting. So after this we will just try to just save the session in our Google Drive. So let us just try that. I think this is possible. So let me just give a try after this progress has been completed. So yeah, now the process has been completed. So I think we need to just wait for 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah, fine. So now let us just click on this save session, and for saving the session we need to just click on our Gmail credentials and all those things. So I'm just working on this thing. We need to just allow them. So I think this is just saving the thing in this Google Drive. I will just try to open it after this gets completed, so it takes some time. So basically this is just for the purpose of securing our data. So we may just get some unstable conditions, so in that conditions we need to just be safe, like we shouldn't install those packages. It is just a waste of time, right? So if we just keep this file safely, then we can just open this file and we can just run whatever system calls we want. So let us just see what happens. So I had just saved that file in my Google Drive. So I will just try to open that file. So now I'm just clicking this online. So I'm just clicking this start, and I will just try to open this file with the help of my Google Drive. I think this works. Just we had just clicked the save the file in our Google Drive. So towards its left there is a open session, right? So we need to just click on this open session and it will just directly get into our Google Drive. And then if we just click on that Ubuntu file which is on the top, and I think this will get open now. So it is just downloading in our on work session, that is like on our working interface. So it will just try to upload it into our working interface. Errors may occur in this coding, huge errors will occur, so we shouldn't get panic. We should be able to rectify those mistakes. We have many sources. Yeah, fine. So this is the thing which we had just done, right? So this is the last step which we had done before saving. So now let us just continue now with this. I'm just going to open this open read write close operations.